In this video, we will introduce three types of product liability claims. The three types of claims that we'll look at are manufacturing defect, design defect, and failure to warn. We'll start with the manufacturing defect, where something went wrong when the product was made. So let's say we have a cell phone company, Acme Phones, and Acme Phones manufactures cell phones. But a key employee gets distracted and doesn't do his job. As a result of the many cell phones produced that day, one cell phone has a defective battery. Together with the other cell phones, the defective cell phone is put on a ship and sent to buyers around the world. One unlucky buyer purchases the defective cell phone. Not only does the battery fail on the cell phone, but it catches on fire, and our unlucky buyer is injured. The buyer should have a manufacturing defect claim. The other cell phones were fine, but something went wrong when this phone was made. An error in the manufacturing process caused an unintended danger in this particular product. The next type of product liability claim that we'll look at is the design defect. In a design defect, the product was manufactured according to plan without a mistake, but the plan was too dangerous. So let's say Acme Phones has a meeting to redesign its cell phone, and they come up with a brand new Acme Phone 2.0. What no one realizes is the plan for this new phone is going to result in a dangerous battery. But the cell phone 2.0 gets manufactured according to this plan. And every cell phone that gets manufactured according to this design has the same defective battery. The cell phones get shipped off to the world, and a bunch of consumers buy these cell phones with the dangerous batteries. And they're all exposed to the same dangerous condition because of the malfunctioning battery. This is a design defect claim. All of the products were manufactured without a mistake, with no error, but the design itself was defective. So now all the products are too dangerous. The last product liability claim that we'll look at is the failure to warn, where the manufacturer did not adequately warn users about a danger in the product. So let's say after the disaster of Acme Phone 2.0, Acme Phone meets and decides to put together Acme Phone 3.0. The phone has a new battery system and it includes a warning: keep away from children and pets. But the warning label is silent as to danger if the battery is exposed to direct sunlight and heat. Unaware of the danger, the owner of the phone leaves it on a cafe table in direct sunlight. As a result, the battery heats up and the flames cause an injury. This may lead to a product liability claim based, at least in part, on failure to warn, because the manufacturer did not warn the phone user about this danger. And the manufacturer certainly knew, or should have known, about this danger, which was not obvious to the owner of the phone. To summarize, a manufacturing defect is where a mistake results in an unintended danger when a product is manufactured. A design defect is where the product is manufactured as intended, but the design itself is faulty, so all products are more dangerous than they should be. A failure to warn is where the manufacturer fails to adequately warn users of a non-obvious danger.